Hello student, good afternoon. Today I will teach you new topic, that is classification of cystoda. They are found as endoparasitic parasites in the intestine of vertebrate and are called as tapeworms. Body is flat, elongated and ribbon like, measures from 1 millimeter to 10 meters in the length. Body is without epidermis. Body is without epidermis, wrapped it is cilia, but a cuticle is present. Body is usually divided into a scolex or head, neck and few to many proglottids. Scolex is provided with hooks or suckers or both. Scolex is followed by neck, which forms new proglottids by transverse budding called strobilization. Mouth and digestive tract are absent. Excretory system consists of protonephridia with flame cells. Nervous system consists of ganglionated nerve ring in scolex and two pairs of lateral nerve cord in proglottids. Each proglottids contains one or two set of male and female reproductive organs. Thus, they are the hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means both the reproductive organs present in the same animal. Several testes in the form of follicles and single lobed ovary. Uterus presents a great variety of structures. Fertilization, internal and self. Life cycle is complicated with hooked embryo and is passed in more than one host. Class Cystoda has about 3,400 species. The class is divided into two subclasses. Subclass Cystoderia or monozoa, and subclass second is Eucystoda or merozoa. Subclass Cystoderia, its character are endoparasites in the intestine and coelomic cavities of fishes and reptiles. Body is formed by one segment and without a scolex. No alimentary canal. Single set of reproductive organs. Larva with 10 hooks, known as pycophores. Subclass Cystoderia is divided into three orders. First order, Amphilinidia. Its characters are: they are endoparasites in the body cavity of ganoid fishes. Frontal glands and protrusible pharynx are present in the anterior part of the body. Suckers are absent. Proboscis is present. Male and female pores present in the posterior part of body. Uterus is coiled and opens near the anterior end. Example, Amphilina. Order second, Gyrocotylidia. They are endoparasites of chlamyroid fishes. Anterior end has cup-like suckers. Irreversible proboscis at anterior end. Male and female pores are situated at the anterior half of the body. Uterus not coiled. Example, gyrocotyle. Third order, Biporophylidia. Biporophylidia. Endoparasites in the intestine of sharks. Proboscis on anterior end. Male and female gonopores opens in common atrium. Example, Biporophyleus. Subclass Eucystoda. Its characters are elongated, flat body is divided into many proglottids. Body is divisible into scolex, neck and strobila. Scolex with suckers, spines and hooks for attachment to the host. Each proglottids with male and female reproductive organs. Larva with 6 hooks. Order number 1, Tetraphylidia. Endoparasites exclusively in the intestine of elasmobranch fishes. Scolex provided with 4 bothria, sessile suckers, often with hooks. Testes lie in form of ovaries. Serous armed with hairs. Spines or hooks are present. Common genital atrium marginal. Example, Phyllobothrium and Acanthobothrium. Second order, Lichenicephaloidea. Intestinal parasites, elasmobranch fishes. Scolex divided by transverse groove in 2 parts, upper with disc and lower with 4 suckers. Vitellaria in 2 lateral bands. Example, Lichenicephalum, Polypocephalus. Order 3rd, Proteocephalidia. These are endoparasites of freshwater fishes, amphibians and reptiles. Scolex mobile with 4 lateral suckers and apical suckers in some ovary. Bilobed uterus with many branches and pores. Vitellaria scattered. Common genital atrium marginal. Example, Proteocephalus, Opiotinia. Fourth order, Diphylidia. Parasites in the intestine of elasmobranch fishes. Proglottids only 20 or less. Scolex with 2 bothria and spiny head stalk. Vitellaria scattered. Example, Echinobothrium. Fifth order, Trypanorhyncha. Parasitic in the spiral wall of digestive tract of elasmobranch fishes. Strobila is segmented and is of moderate size. Scolex with 2 or 4 sessile bothria and 4 protrusible spiny proboscis. Testes extended beyond ovary posteriorly. Example, Haplobothrium tetrarhynchus. Sixth order, that is the Pseudophylidia. Endoparasites in the intestine of fishes, birds and mammals. The larva lives in crustaceans. Generally 6 shallow groove-like suckers and hooks. Bothria are found on the scolex. Proglottids may be absent or present. Neck is not developed. Many yolk glands are present. Example, Amphicotyl Dibothriocephalus. Order 7th, Nipotinidae. Its characters are endoparasites in the intestine of Japanese freshwater fishes, scolex with single terminal suckers, proglottids few each with one set of genitalia, Vitellaria compact, example Nippotinia, Amorotinia. Order 8th Tinioidea, endoparasites in the intestine of birds and mammals, elongated body with proglottids. Scolex bears 4 suckers, often with an apical rostellum armed with hooks. Excretory system with 4 longitudinal vessels and phlegm cells. Complete set of reproductive organs. In each proglottid, single compact yolk glands. Example Tinea and Echinococcus. Order 9th Aporidia. It is endoparasites in swan birds, scolex with 4 suckers, rostellum armed, no segmentation, O-type yolk glands and sex ducts or pores. Example Nematoparotenia, Gastronemia. This is the complete classification of Cystoda, class Cystoda. Okay, thank you.